Okay, this is the vocabulary pronunciation video for Kapitel 5, Stufe 3. Separable verbs are a big concept in this section. Separable verbs are made up of two parts. We have a prefix and a verb. So the prefix moves to the end of the sentence when it's conjugated, and it stays together with the verb when it's unconjugated. The other part is obviously the verb, which is the conjugated portion, so you have to apply the endings to the verb. One example of these verbs is aussehen, and aussehen is separable. It means to look like. So the separable part is aus, which you can see here, and aus moves to the end of the sentence when it's conjugated. The other part of the verb, sehen, is conjugated, and you can see in the boxes below that the du and as es form are different. The only difference is that we have ie instead of just an e. Otherwise, the endings are the same. Here's an example sentence with this verb. Er sieht hässlich aus, which means he looks ugly. So you can see that the conjugation of sehen is in second position as we normally would have it, and aus has moved to the end of the sentence. Our next verb is anprobieren, also separable, to try on, and the conjugation of probieren is regular, so no surprises there, and then an just moves to the end when it's conjugated. Our next one is an example for anprobieren. Wir probieren die Pullis an. We are trying the sweaters on. Again, you'll see the conjugated verb is in second position. The separable prefix is moved to the end. Another separable verb we have is anziehen. Anziehen means to put on or to wear. Again, ziehen is regular, so no surprises, and an moves to the end as we just saw in anprobieren. Make sure you're copying these verbs down in your chart. Example sentence with anziehen. Ziehst du den Pulli an? Now here it's a question, so our verb is in first position because there's no question word, and our prefix is at the end still. So ziehst du den Pulli an? Here's an example of a sentence with anziehen, but this time our verb is not separated. And the reason is because we have a modal verb, möchte, and anziehen stays at the end because it's the infinitive form. So ich möchte den Rock anziehen. I would like to try on the skirt. Okay, here's a verb in this section that is not separable. So nehmen, meaning to take. This one is irregular. It's another Oklahoma verb, so make sure you copy it down. The du and as es forms are different, quite different, so make sure you pay attention to how they look. And our other verb is kaufen. Kaufen means to buy or purchase. This one is a regular verb.